All right, this is how you can check for grades for the second 9 weeks. So you're going to go inside your music course. This one happens to be a first grade course. But you'll go in your music course, and then along the left-hand column, you're going to click on the word grades. Click on that, and then you'll see marking period 1. That was your average then. And so that's the 9 weeks that's already finished. And so we are in marking period 2, so you're going to want to check this average. You're going to come out here to the side, and this person happens to have 100% so far for this 9 weeks. And you can look down at her assignments, and she has completed each of those. And so that's why she has her A for this 9 weeks so far. If she had not completed something, this would be red, I believe. I know it'll say 0 out of 100, and you'll know that something's missing. And you can look over here, and if it starts with Quaver, if the assignment starts with the word Quaver, that means the assignment is in Quaver, and you need to go there to find your assignment. And of course, when you get there, remember, it'll still be red, and you can click on it and then complete the assignment for that week that you're missing. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great week.